Hey guys, today I want to show you how to upgrade your regular light switch to a dimmer. And this is important if you install brighter lights and you want to be able to dim them in the evening or when it's time to chill. So I'm going to put one of these on, show you guys how to do it, walk you through the process. The tools that you're going to need: some electrical tape, Phillips screwdriver, smaller flathead, and some snip pliers, whatever you can, your choice of those. Probably won't need some of that, depends. Not everybody wraps with electrical tape, but I do. So, and I want to remind you, first you might want to call an electrician or a handyman to do this work for you. But if you're a homeowner and you want to tackle this job yourself, follow along. So the first thing you want to do is go to your panel and shut off the circuit for that light. Now it looks like this one has been a part of this box has been remodeled a little bit, so there's some sheetrock screws that are holding it in. And you can use that technique if your like the plastic is wore out and you need to actually screw it in. Okay, so we'll stretch it out here. Start taking off this electrical tape. Take the ground off. Move that to the side. And then over here you see there are two blacks. Now, if it keeps going, it'll be like a black and a white. But for this application, it's just the switch, so it's like running through it, right? All right, so for the sake of ease, why don't we just install it back like it was? All right, so for this guy, for the dimmer, I want the dimmer on the right side. So I'm going to install it that way. I'm going to just loop that one back in. Here, zoom in a little bit so you can see. Just like that. We're going to hook it back on and then tighten up the screw. And you can kind of adjust how these loops are looking. So this one's going to go on this side here. I've not seen these pink ones before. It's interesting. And then you want to make sure they're really good and tightened down. They don't come off. And then the green one, of course, right here. The green one is the ground, and the ground is the bare wire right there. Just like we took it off of the old one. Put it back on here. Don't want to operate light switches without a ground. Okay, so we'll install that one like that. So they're all in there. Now, I'm going to have to take out these screws here because they're not going to work in these holes. Push the wires back. I'm going to screw this thing in. All right, so that looks pretty good there. Then we'll put the faceplate on. Voila, let's go turn the breaker on, see if it works. All right, we'll turn that breaker back on. All right, so now you can see I've got the new light switch installed, and let's see. Oh yeah, looks good. I'll turn this camera around here. And we can see that the dimmer works. Hey, we're in business. Oh man, that's gonna be great. Well guys, I hope this video has helped. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. And you can click here or here to see other videos that I've done.